me out. What if there was a material that couldn't decide what it wanted to be? Imagine something that feels hard when you hear it, but there's all soft and good. Touch it gently.
Actually, it makes perfect sense.
Whoa! Since when were you standing there?
Long enough to hear your science mystery.
So, you're telling me something like that actually exists?
Well, it sure does. And it's called Oobleck.
Oobleck? That sounds more like a cartoon character than a science experiment.
Well, crazy, right? Because I exactly thought the same thing, but trust me, once you see it, you'll understand why people talk so much about it.
Well then, show me.
Slight problem though.
What?
We don't have any. Yeah. So let's make it ourselves. Our mission only needs 4 things.
Let's hear it.
Cornstarch, water. Food coloring is totally optional, but it makes everything look cooler. And finally, a mixing bowl. Step 1. Pour the cornstarch into the bowl. Next, slowly add the water while mixing. Don't dump everything in at once. Add a little, mix a little. And if you want a colorful oobleck, this is just the perfect time. Keep stirring until it feels smooth, not too watery, not too dry.
It already looks weird.
We're just getting started. Our first test is to see how oobleck reacts to different amounts of force. When we press it slowly, the oobleck let the fingers sink in. But when we hit it quickly, it suddenly felt hard. So based on our observations, oobleck behaves differently depending on how much force is applied.
Wait, it's actually hard. Let's see who survives.
For our second test, let's see which object sinks faster. We observed that the coin sank more easily, while the eraser sank more slowly. The plastic bottle cap stayed near the surface the longest. So, we can conclude that the heavier and denser objects sinks more easily in oobleck than lighter ones.
What if I make a ball? Hey, I actually made a ball. Never mind.
When you squeeze it, the particles get packed together, making it behave like a solid. But once the force is gone, they spread out again and flows just like a liquid.
So, Oobleck isn't making rules.
Apparently, it just follows different set of rules.
Okay. Well, it's a non-Newtonian fluid, which means it changes the way it flows depending on the force applied.
Oh, so if you hit it, it will act like a solid.
Yeah, and if you leave it alone, it acts like a liquid.
That's what makes a non-Newtonian fluid one of the coolest experiments of science we can make at home.